Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2015 Chevrolet City Express Cargo LT. Little van's in beautiful conditions. Got about 79,000 miles on the clock. Really nice looking van. Beautiful condition. All right, let's give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and we'll show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. Nice little work van. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Take a look. Very nice condition. Lights are in great shape. Look at that. Beautiful shape there. Grill's in beautiful condition. Very nice. The other headlamp also in beautiful shape. Hood's in great condition. Looks super clean. Really nice condition. Very nice. Take a look at the windshield. Windshield in great shape. Beautiful condition. Has a little mark here on the windshield. No little mark there. Besides that, looks good. Front fender on the driver's side looks good. Really nice shape. Taking a look at the driver door. Driver door's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Let's take a quick look at the mirror. Mirror's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the sliding door. Sliding door's in great shape. Looks good throughout. Very nice condition. Rear quarter panel on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Really nice. Does have a couple dents up here on top. Look at that. Another one over here. Besides that, looks pretty good. All right, take a look at the rear doors. Rear doors are in great shape. Super nice. This one has parking sensors in the back with a backup camera. Really nice. Emblem's in great shape. Glass looks good. Really nice condition. A couple of little touch-ups here. It's got a touch-up here, here, and up on top there. Besides that, looks good. Quarter panel on the passenger side looks beautiful. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Does have a dent there and a dent there. Take a look at the sliding door on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. It's got a little scratch there that's been touched up. Take a look at the front door. Front door on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Front fender. Beautiful shape. Does have a couple dents on the fender right here and here. Very nice. Let's take a look at the mirror. Looks good. Really nice shape. Does have a couple little dents here on the roof. Another one on top here. A couple dents on the roof here and there. But really nice shape overall. Really beautiful condition. Okay, that's pretty much about it. We gave it a walk around. Now coming up next, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a quick test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver's side door panel. Door panel's in good shape. Very nice condition. All right, take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat has a little bit of wear and tear right here. Besides that, seat's in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rubber floors are in great shape. Look at that. Floors in beautiful shape. Dashboard steering wheel looks very nice. Really great condition overall. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice condition. Armrest is in great shape. Take a look at the controls. Power windows, power locks. Very nice. Passenger seat, beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Rubber floors are in great condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Super clean. Very nice. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner's in great shape. Looks amazing. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area here from the passenger side. Sliding door. Cargo mat's in great shape. Really nice condition. Back of the seats look good. Very nice. Take a look at the roof. Roof looks amazing. Side panels are in great shape. Really nice overall. Does have some scratches here and there. Keep in mind, this is a work truck. Beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area here and the sliding door from the driver's side. Cargo mat's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Really nice condition. Does have some scratches here and there on the side panels. Overall in great shape. Really nice condition. Good miles for a 2015. Beautiful shape. Okay, we'll take a look at the cargo area from the back. Check out the door panels here. Look amazing. Beautiful shape. This one on this side, very nice. Handles in great shape. Look at that. Take a look at the rubber floors. Rubber floors are in great condition. Super nice. Panels on the sides look good. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape all the way through. Very nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2015 City Express. Really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the key fob for it. There's a key for it right there. Great shape. All right, we're going to go and start this baby up. Starts up perfect. Really nice. We'll bring the AC down a little bit. Super nice. Look at that. No lights on it. No codes or anything like that. Let's take a look at the mileage. 79,249 miles. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Look at this. Very nice condition. This one has cruise control on it. Look at that. Take a look at the controls for the radio, change the stations, all that nice stuff. It's an LT package. The wipers for the front. Controls for the lights. Really nice. The mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, power windows and locks. Very nice. Dashboard looks really nice, super clean throughout. Really nice condition. Does have a couple little holes right here. Besides that, is in great shape. Parking sensors on this one. Power plug right there. Cup holders. A little bit of storage space here. Very nice. It's got the sensor for the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful shape. Radio looks really nice. Check this one out. This one has backup. Backup sensors and backup camera. Look at that. Amazing. XM radio, CD, AM, FM, auxiliary. Really nice. You press there, it shows you the guidelines for the camera. Super nice. Look at this. Street address. Look at that. This one even has navigation. That's amazing. Points of interest. Next page. Look at that. Navigation on this. Destination. Navigation on this one. Look at that. Little van with navigation. Really nice. Check out the map on it. Take a look at all the control buttons here. Super nice, man. Nice AC. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. I mean, can't get any better than this. Beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the visors on this one. Super nice. Really great shape. Liner's in great shape. Does have a little scratch here and here, but besides that, looks amazing. Beautiful shape throughout. Really nice condition. Okay, that pretty much concludes our view of the interior with all the accessories. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. All right, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. We already have it in gear. Good to go. Drives nice, feels smooth. Stop sign here. Perfect. great on this one. It's got the navigation on there. Super nice. A lot of extras on this one. Cruise control on the steering wheel, radio controls on the steering wheel, navigation, backup camera, parking sensors in the rear. It's got a lot of features. Drives pretty nice. Brakes feel good. Really great shape. Okay, next step is we're gonna go ahead and check out the backup camera and show you how that works with the parking sensors. Super nice. Find a little spot to park. Here we go. So as soon as you put it in reverse, the backup camera shows up here. And we're just going to go ahead and turn and go back. Really great. Look at that. Then it starts beeping, letting us know we're getting close to something. That's pretty much it. There it is. Okay, so that's going to conclude our test drive on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look at the engine compartment, and the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks really nice throughout. Very nice condition. Really great shape. Very nice. Okay, take a look at the hood by the bottom. Looks good, clean, great condition. Emission sticker. Looks beautiful. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side looks amazing. Really nice shape. Rim is clean and hubcap looks great. Look at that. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great condition. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Hubcap is in brand new condition. Looks very nice. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Hubcap is brand new. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side looks amazing. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Hubcap is in brand new condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2015 Chevrolet City Express. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in great shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great Used Auto Sales.com. Thanks for watching.